tail lights off this G35. Same thing with the G37. Same concept. You never know, you want to change the tail light or tint it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Let's get into this. First things first, let's pop the trunk. I got a button right here. If yours work, press the button. If not, go inside, press the button. Now, we're gonna do one side. I'm not gonna do the other side. I'm gonna show you how to remove it on this side and do the same thing on that side. Okay, you don't really have to take anything out. If you want, you could take this off. Take this out. So it's a little, if you want. I'm gonna leave mine in. All you're gonna need is an 8mm socket. You can have this, whatever you call this shit, remover, and a flathead. So let's take this off. This is not there, so you have to take these off right here. You see this? Take those off. This one, this whole panel come off. Let's take that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna back it out, but if you're doing both tail lights, this whole thing come out. The whole thing comes out. Now let's take these clips off. Let's take this off. Alright. This one over here. Soon you take off all these clips that's on this right here. You gotta take off all that. Right there. There. That's it. 4 sides. It's 4 in there and over here. And if you do another side too, there's some here, right there. Okay. So now let's back this out. This. Use your hand. Go like this. Lightly like that. Pull it out. Same thing with this side. Just pull it out just like that. Okay, just leave it like that. You can take it out if you want, but I'm gonna leave it here. Now, let's back this out. Right here. You see this? Just like that. Wait. You want to get through those bolts. So, let's back this out. See, at this point, look like this thing's in the way. So let's fold this like that. And back this up some more. Okay, now get to your bolts. Let's take this off. Right here. Like that. Pop that off. Now, stick this connector off. Tail light. And squeeze. Okay, it's like that. Now, you got to take these 3 8mm bolts off. Okay. Now, tail light should come out. Push it like that. Off all 3 sides like that. Okay. Now, take the tail light. Just like that. There you go. Now, take off this thing right here. This has to come off. This whole panel has to come off. So let's remove these clips that's on there. See those? Right here, here, and right there. Just in case you're wondering how to take these off, you just go to the back and just pull it out. Just like that. It just comes right out. And you just pop this out. Be careful with that. This thing, you have to pop off too. It's like in the way. Like that. Don't break it. Put it through. Just like that. Alright. And there's a cup right here. Final one. Just take it out, your flathead or whatever you're using. Just like that. Take it out. Yep, just like that. Bam. Damn cup. Now let's drop this. Put this in the trunk or wherever you want to put it. Alright. Now there's 3 8mm here. You should take off. Just unplug this. Yeah, just unplug it. Tuck it in somewhere. Okay, now let's take off these 8mm. Now, when you pick this up, there's gonna be some type of, you know, like a tape. I feel like a tape is on it. So when you push up on it, there's gonna be something holding it back. So take a blade, something like this, pull out, go in it like this, and just cut it off. Cut it like that. Under, you see that? Under there. So you have to cut in there with a blade. Let me show you. Just like that. You see how the blade is? Go all the way around till it comes out. Soon you cut all the way around it, it should pop right out. You see that? Bam. There you go. Soon you take those out to put this back. If you want, you could reseal this thing if you want, but I want to just slap it on because there's no difference. So let's put that shit back on there. Just, you know, slap it on there, just like that. Okay, now let's put the bolts, 8mm. Connect this. Don't forget to connect this, or else your reverse light won't work. Okay, now let's put the big panel on there. Big panel. Damn panel. Shit. Make sure you put this in through first. Don't forget about this. You need this emergency. Okay, put in a hole. Put it in. Push it in. Okay, now let's put all the clips back on there. Okay, so when you put these back on there, don't forget your cup. Slap that on there. Cup. Big clips. Make sure all of them is on. Make sure this is good tight on there. Put this in there. Like that. Okay, that's good. Now let's take the tail light. Put it in here. Match up the holes and the bolts. Okay. Okay. Make sure you plug your tail light, or else your tail light won't work. Now, let's put this back on there. This back. Okay, now you can fold this back. You need that. Let's put this back on there like so. That push down, clip on there. Let's put the clips back. All right, so you put them back, should be good. Good to go. All right, once you're done, close your trunk. Make sure you tighten on your bolts. Check the lights if they work, your brake light, reverse light, all that stuff. Make sure they're plugged in. And that's it, man. That is it. If you have any questions, comment below. Hit me on Instagram. Alright? If I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe, man. Until next time. Later.